You, like everybody, can benefit from art therapy, especially as it nurtures your mental pause button, so you're more thoughtful how you show up to your life rather than just reactive. So I'm going to ask my sister Kelly Darke, art therapist and author, what are some art therapy exercises that help foster the mental pause button? Go.
One thing you can do for fostering that mental pause button is to create something on paper. Get a pencil. All you need is pencil and paper. And one thing I like to do is to basically scribble on a page. So you take your pencil, doing loops, doing all kinds of crisscross your lines all over the page. It creates a lot of open spaces. And then take another pencil, maybe of some colors, and take time focusing on each of those spaces and coloring them in. Just the act of forcing yourself to observe what you're doing and focus on the small space that you're coloring will help to pause your brain so that you're not slow you down. So it's a little bit of a meditative process. So that's one.